folks, welcome to Sham Tech Minds. Welcome to my brand new video about Excel tutorials. So last video I spoke about the formatting, conditional formatting, table styles and cells, insert and delete. Now let's go to next, editing, or something called as Autosum, okay, sort and find and select. So what is Autosum? So I mean, usually the traditional method what we follow, 1, 2, say example there are a set of numbers here, okay, so we just type the formula equal to sum open bracket and we select the numbers and close bracket and we put the enter and we get the result there. So instead of that you just click on this auto sum, okay, it automatically selects that particular area and just have to click enter. This is how Autosum works. You can say sum, average, count number, maximum, minimum, more. There are more functions you can do with this Autosum. So example, let's take an average, okay. When you take an average, the average is 3.5, okay. So come, let's take next, let's count numbers. How many numbers are there? Count. There are six count is there, okay. So max, what is the max? It will come 6. So what is the minimum? Let us see what is minimum. Minimum is 1. So okay. So these are the things where you can use this particular function for. Okay. So now come, let's go to sort and sort and filter. So what is sort and filter? Say example you have here serial number. Just let's give a naming convention for that. Okay. So now let's go to sort and filter. When we go to sort, what is A to Z? That is ascending to descending. That is from the smallest to the largest. You can say that. You can click here, okay, and you can do this A to Z. It will automatically do from 1 to Z. That is 1 to the largest, Z to A. That is descending to ascending. When you click here, see, it automatically becomes the opposite of that, okay. And there are multiple other things. There are custom sort. You can do your values, you can select values, cell color according to your things. You can add level, you can add multiple levels in custom sort, wherein you can sort your table. This is only one table output. Say example, there's a multiple table here, you need to validate or you need to verify what it is. All those things you can use this custom sort, so that you can do any kind of sorting to arrive at your destination or arrive at your what result, desired result. Okay, the same way filter also works. Say example, let's put a filter here, okay. So let's, if I put a filter here, if I can put filter, I need only, say example, I need to select only one. There will be multiple ones, only one, that particular thing will come. Here one thing is the entire, if you can see, the entire Excel sheet is being filtered, okay. Only this cell will not get filtered. So this is the one of the drawbacks in Excel where we can use this, okay. So this is something called as filter. Even filter also you can use number filter or filter by color, greater than or equal to. All these things you can do in filter, okay. Next comes find and select. What is find and select? Find, this is find, you can find anything. So for find, I can tell the shortcut keys, it is control plus F, okay. So when you press control and F together, it will find, okay, and you can just replace here, okay. You can just click replace and you can replace. So these are the few things where you can do replace. There are other more advanced items here where I will be going through my next videos. Now I am just going through the basics, which is really required for you to know what Excel is all about, okay. This is the home tab. So I have covered the home tab in terms of the basics. Now let's go to insert. Insert, you saw only one thing here, insert this particular, but there are other things also when it comes to insert. Insert a pivot table. Pivot table is something very advanced level, okay. Next comma recommended table, you can insert a table according to your thing. Insert picture, online pictures, There are other things, charts here, pivot table, power view, line, all these things, text box, header and footer, these comes in the insert. Next comes page layout. This is the same here as it here when you do a page layout. Okay, and next comes formulas. All these things are the advanced level data. So when you can see here, you can link to your database, everything you can do, and review. Once you do a something document, you can review, spell checking, research, translate. Okay, when it comes to view, normal view, you can arrange everything. And there is a developer is when you write some macros or visual basics, something like that. So these are the advanced level in Excel, where step by step if we can learn, it will be really great. Now hope you would have understood what the basics are. So I will just run through one by one. So first we thought about the Excel vocabulary, what the ribbons, these are the ribbons, insert, these are the ribbons, cut, copy, paste. Then came day 2, we learned about the cut, copy, paste and the keyword navigation. Okay, that is shift, arrow right, arrow left, arrow up, arrow down, all the arrow keys we learned on the day 3. Okay, and we learned about the format painter. Here we learned about the format painter. We learned about the font. We learned about bold, italics, underlined, or color, or up, big or small, or the alignment here, wrap text, numbers, everything we learned. And today, we learned about the cell structures, inserting, deleting, everything we learned. So formatting, conditional formatting, these are the few things, and we learned about Autosum. So hopefully we covered maximum of the home ribbon. That is the home ribbon. What all is there? Maximum, the basic level we have covered. So we can go to the next advanced level in my upcoming videos, where you will be able to learn even more. If you understand these things, next will be very easy for you to learn. That is the advanced will be very easy for you to learn. There are a lot of things. There are a lot of formulas. VLOOKUP formulas, HLOOKUP, pivot table. All these things will be very useful for you when you are going to the advanced level of the Excel. Okay. So if anything is there, please do like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Please leave your comments. If anything is there, please leave your comments. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Okay. So if anything is there, please do let me know. Thanks for watching Shyam Tech Minds. Have a great day. Bye bye.